Hi guys, to receive this micro adjusted torque wrench, it comes with a fixed ratchet head and a open end wrench, which is really nice. So let's take everything out. Look at it. You can unlock it, adjust it by setting the torque this way. This is our reference scale. It has all marked up, and now we lock it, and we can just this head, this, which is really nice. Take it out. You can take the open head wrench and place it in, adjust it, and set the torque we need. It has anti-slip design in here, which is really nice. It's very well made, very heavy construction, which is perfect. It's heavy duty. I like it a lot. It's really easy to use. It's really great to make anything you need to extend your torque force. And I will really recommend it. It comes with anything you need to use it, even an adapter, this for the fixed ratchet head, which is nice, and it's great. So I will really recommend it. It also comes with its own certificate of calibration for this torque wrench, which is nice. You know, that way you can be certain that it's calibrated, and it's perfect, and I will really recommend it. See ya.